The joy of saving, it's easier than you think. Saving money might seem like a daunting task, but it can actually be a joyful and rewarding experience. Does it sound about as fun as watching paint dry? Many people think of saving as a boring and tedious chore, something that takes the fun out of life. Well, I'm here to tell you it doesn't have to be that way. Saving can be exciting and fulfilling when you approach it with the right mindset. Saving is about more than just putting pennies in a jar, although that's a great start. It's about setting goals and watching your progress grow over time. It's about taking control of your finances and building a brighter future. When you save, you're not just putting money away. You're investing in your dreams and aspirations. Think of saving like a game. Just like in any game, you have to strategize, plan, and make smart moves to win. Every dollar you save is a point scored towards your dreams. Each small step you take brings you closer to achieving your goals. Want to buy a house? Score! Saving diligently can turn that dream into a reality. Dreaming of that tropical vacation? Score! With a solid savings plan, you can make that dream trip happen. The more you save, the closer you get to your goals. Watching your savings grow can be incredibly motivating and satisfying. Saving isn't about depriving yourself, it's about finding balance and enjoying the simple pleasures in life while planning for bigger rewards. It's about making smart choices. By being mindful of your spending, you can save more without feeling like you're missing out. It's about finding joy in the little things and knowing that your future self will thank you. Every small effort you make today will pay off in the long run. So, are you ready to start scoring and win at the game of life? Let's get started. Embrace the journey of saving and watch how it transforms your life for the better. Dream it, achieve it. The power of savings goals. Let's talk goals. Having a clear vision of what you're saving for is crucial. Why? Because it's much easier to stay motivated when you know exactly what you're working towards. Start by writing down your goals. Be specific. Instead of saying, I want to save for a vacation, write down, I want to save $5,000 for a trip to Hawaii in 2 years. See the difference? Break down your big goals into smaller, more manageable milestones. This makes the saving process less daunting and more achievable. Celebrate each milestone you reach. Give yourself a pat on the back. You're on your way. Remember, your goals are your own. Don't compare them to others. Focus on what truly matters to you and what your savings soar. Set it and forget it, automating your way to wealth. Automating your savings is one of the smartest financial moves you can make. Why? Because it takes the guesswork out of saving. It's like setting your finances on autopilot. How does it work? It's simple. Set up a recurring transfer from your checking account to your savings account each month. This way, you're saving consistently without even having to think about it. Start small if you need to. Even $25 or $50 a month adds up over time. As you get used to it, gradually increase the amount. You'll be amazed at how quickly your savings will grow. Automating your savings is like having a secret weapon in the fight for financial freedom. So why wait? Set it up today and watch your money grow effortlessly. Section 4, uncovering hidden treasures, finding extra cash. Think you have no money to save? Think again. You might be surprised at how much extra cash you can find by making a few small changes in your daily routine. Take a close look at your spending habits. Do you really need that daily latte from the cafe? Could you cut back on eating out and cook more at home? Those small expenses add up quickly over time. Consider canceling subscriptions you don't use regularly or need. Do you really need 5 different streaming services? Probably not. Negotiate your bills. Call your cable company, internet provider, and insurance company and ask for a better rate. The worst they can say is no, so it's worth a try. By making conscious spending choices and finding creative ways to cut back, you'll free up extra money to put towards your savings goals. Every little bit counts. Section 5. The magic of compound interest. Watch your money grow. Compound interest is like magic. It's the snowball effect of earning interest on your interest. Confused? Let me explain. Imagine you invest $1,000 and earn 5% interest per year. After the first year, you'll have $1,050. But here's the magic. In the second year, you'll earn 5% interest on $1,050, not just on your original $1,000. As you can see, the longer your money is invested, the more it grows exponentially. It's like a gift that keeps on giving. The key to harnessing the power of compound interest is to start early and be patient. The sooner you start saving, the more time your money has to grow. So don't wait. Start today and watch your savings flourish. Section 6. Fun and games with savings, creative challenges to boost your stash. Saving money doesn't have to be boring. In fact, it can be an exciting and engaging activity that brings people together and helps you reach your financial goals faster. There are plenty of fun and creative challenges to help you boost your savings while having a little fun along the way. These challenges not only make saving money more enjoyable, but also help you stay motivated and committed to your financial goals. One popular challenge is the 52-week money challenge. This challenge is simple yet effective and can be a great way to build a substantial savings over the course of a year. Start by saving $1 in the first week, $2 in the second week, and so on. Each week, you increase the amount you save by $1. By the end of the year, you'll have saved over $1,300. This challenge is a great way to gradually increase your savings without feeling overwhelmed. Another fun idea is to create a savings jar for specific goals. This method allows you to visually see your progress and stay motivated to reach your targets. Label each jar with a goal, such as a dream vacation, a new car, or an emergency fund. By having a clear goal in mind, you'll be more likely to stay committed to saving. Plus, it's incredibly satisfying to watch your savings grow over time. Then, drop in your spare change or any extra cash you have lying around. Every little bit adds up, and you'll be surprised at how quickly your savings can grow. You can even turn saving into a game with friends or family. This adds an element of fun and friendly competition, making the process more enjoyable. Challenge each other to see who can save the most money in a certain time frame. Set a deadline and see who can reach their savings goal first. A little friendly competition can go a long way. Not only does it make saving money more fun, but it also encourages everyone to stay on track and reach their financial goals together. So gather your friends and family, set your savings goals, and start your creative savings challenges today. Section 7. Your journey to financial freedom starts today. This is the moment you've been waiting for. The moment where you take control of your financial destiny and set yourself on a path to prosperity and peace of mind. Congratulations! You've taken the first step towards a brighter financial future. This is no small feat. It's a significant milestone that deserves to be celebrated. By acknowledging the importance of financial literacy and taking proactive steps, you're already ahead of the curve. Remember, saving isn't about deprivation, it's about empowerment. It's about making choices that align with your values and long-term goals. When you save, you're not just putting money aside, you're investing in your future self. It's about taking control of your finances and creating a life you love. Imagine the freedom of not worrying about unexpected expenses or the joy of being able to afford experiences that enrich your life. Financial freedom is not just a dream, it's a reality you can achieve with dedication and smart planning. Start by setting clear savings goals, automating your savings, and tracking your progress. These small steps can lead to significant changes over time. When you automate your savings, you make it easier to stay consistent and avoid the temptation to spend, and finding creative ways to cut back on unnecessary expenses. This doesn't mean you have to sacrifice your quality of life. Instead, look for ways to be more mindful about your spending. For example, meal prepping can save you money and time, and comparing prices can help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Embrace the magic of compound interest and watch your money grow over time. Compound interest is one of the most powerful tools in your financial arsenal. By reinvesting your earnings, you can exponentially increase your wealth. The earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow. Don't be afraid to have fun with it. Saving money doesn't have to be a chore. Turn it into a game or a challenge. Involve your friends and family to make it a communal effort. The more enjoyable you make the process, the more likely you are to stick with it. Try out different savings challenges and find what works best for you. Whether it's a no-spend month, a 52-week savings challenge, or simply setting aside a small amount each day, find a method that fits your lifestyle and keeps you motivated. Remember, every dollar you save is a step closer to your dreams. Each small action you take today can have a significant impact on your future. Visualize your goals and remind yourself why you're saving. This will keep you focused and inspired. Now go out there and start saving. The journey to financial freedom is a marathon, not a sprint. Take it one step at a time and don't get discouraged by setbacks. Every effort you make brings you closer to your financial goals. Your future self will thank you. Imagine looking back a few years from now and seeing how far you've come. The sacrifices and smart choices you make today will pave the way for a more secure and fulfilling future. And be sure to visit Mind Wealth Journey for more tips and tricks on achieving financial freedom. Our resources are designed to help you navigate the complexities of personal finance and make informed decisions. Together, we can make your financial dreams a reality. Join our community of like-minded individuals who are all on the same journey. Share your successes, learn from others, and stay motivated. Financial freedom is within your reach, and we're here to help you every step of the way.